Hey guys, Chase here behind the camera. Today I'm going to show you how to install these Matthews Speed and Performance fuel cap holders on your Subaru GG Wagon. So the way I do it is I set the corner into this notch and then I pull it across a little bit and then I just push it down so the notch on the fuel cap holder fits in the notch on the door frame. And I've had this one in and out a couple of times so it doesn't snap in, but it makes a nice interference fit. And that's all it is. All right, and here's showing you putting the gas cap in the holder. Gonna thread it out of here, and then boom, right in, holds it pretty nice if you can see that, and just pops right back out. And then you can screw your fuel cap right back in. And it fits with the door closed.